time for Mental Health Superpower number 4. I hope you've been enjoying trying these out and can see how handy they are to keep your mind happy and healthy. We are now fully into Children's Mental Health Week, but of course your mental health is important every day. So make sure you download the free Mental Health Superpowers pack using this link so you have even more brilliant tools to play with. Today, you get to try what I think is probably one of the best and most fun ways of looking after your mind. Moving your body. Oh my gosh, when you move, get your heart pumping, use your muscles, your brain goes into its happiest place. It sparkles and sprinkles you with natural happy powers called hormones. Moving your body is a brilliant tool for staying healthy in all ways. That's why I love doing yoga adventures so much. So get ready. You are about to enter the Minion training camp to see if you can wiggle your way through the Laser Cave Challenge.
Look, up ahead we see a triangle-shaped tunnel full of red laser beams. Coming into our triangle-shaped tunnel pose. Onto our hands and knees, everyone. We tuck our toes and we press our hips all the way up to the sky. Now, we have to get through this tunnel without touching the lasers. So, we lift one leg all the way up. Oh, and then we tuck our knee into our chest. We step forward between our hands. Oh, thank goodness we do yoga. Now, making our legs very strong, we lift all the way up, trying not to wobble, lifting our arms up to the sky. And then we fold all the way forwards. Hands come either side of our foot. We step all the way back, drop down to our knees, lower down to our tummies, and after a Minion 3, we wiggle under the last laser beam. Here we go. Hannah, do, say. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. We did it! Now can we do it all on the other side? Let's see. Coming back to hands and knees, tucking our toes and pressing up with our hips. Now we lift our other leg all the way up. We tuck our knee into our chest and we step forward, up and over the laser beams. Now, being strong in our legs, we lift all the way up, trying not to wobble as we stretch up to the sky. We fold all the way forwards, hands either side of our front foot, and then we step our foot back, dropping down to our knees, lowering our tummy, and after a Minion 3, wiggling under. Here we go. Hannah, dul, se. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. We did it! Well done, everyone. Coming to sit all the way back on our heels. Wow, we are doing so well in our Minion training.
Yes, you did it! Find loads more fun movement videos on the Cosmic Kids YouTube channel and download your Superpower Pack for all the tools.